In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a caption to images in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. After logging in, click Website, select Edit Site and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you can add and customize elements on your website. If you haven't added an image yet, drag the image element onto your page and upload the image you want to use. If your image is already on the page, simply click on it to open its editing options. Look for the caption option and enable it. A text field will appear below the image where you can enter your caption. Type the text you want to display beneath the image. You can use the caption to describe the image, provide additional information, or give photo credit depending on your needs. After adding your caption, save and publish your website so the changes are visible to your visitors. That's how to add a caption to images in Weebly. Thanks for watching.